Number 15. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If the age of Shreya is 15 years and the age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. So, mother wants to divide rupees 36. But how she wants to divide between both the daughters? Divide money between the daughters in the ratio of their ages. So, let us first find ratio of their ages. Solution. Ratio of the age of Shreya to that of Bhumika equals to 15 upon 12. Now, we will write this in lowest term. 3 5s are and 3 4s are. So, 5 upon 4, that is equals to 5 is to 4. So, we have find now ratio of the age of Shreya to that of Bhumika is 5 is to 4. Thus, rupees 36 divide between Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio 5 is to 4. Now, to find how much Shreya will get and how much Bhumika will get, first we will take sum of these terms. And sum of this term equals to 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Thus, Shreya will get 5 upon 9 of the total money. And Bhumika will get, how much Bhumika will get? 4 upon 9 of the total money. Now let us find how much Shreya will get and how much Bhumika will get. The amount Shreya will get, that is equals to 5 upon 9 multiplied by 36, because total money is 36. 9 ones are and 9 fours are. So how much Shreya is getting? Rupees 20. 5 fours are is 20. The amount Bhumika gets equals to 4 upon 9 multiplied by 36. 9 ones are, 9 fours are. So 4 fours are equals to rupees 16. So how much Bhumika is getting? Rupees 16. Therefore, Shreya will get rupees 20 and Bhumika will get rupees 16. So these rupees their mother has divided according to their ages. Question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of A. Present age of father to the present age of son. B. Age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. C. Age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. D. Age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. So here, different age of father and son, we have to find the ratios. Different conditions of the age of father and son is given. We have to find the ratios. First of all, in the question, present age of father is given, that is equals to 42 years. Present age of son is given, that is equals to 14 years. So, what would be the required ratio? 42 upon 14. 14 ones are and 14 threes are, that is equals to 3 upon 1. So, required ratio is 3 is to 1. So, this was the answer for the A. Now B. In B it is given the son was 12 years old 2 years ago. So, the age of father 2 years ago will be. Now, here it is given the age of the father we have to find 2 years ago. Why? Because the condition is that the son was 12 years old 2 years ago. So, ago means what? We will do subtraction. So now we have to find age of the father 2 years ago. That means we will do subtractions from the present age by 2. So 42 minus 2, that is equals to 40 years. We get the age of the father 40 years because condition was 2 years ago. Now we will take 40 upon 12 as the required ratio according to the condition. because first present age of the son was 14. 14 minus 2, 12 years old, and the same way age of the father 2 years ago, that is 42 minus 2, and that is 40 years. Now required ratio we will do 40 upon 12. We have to find lowest term of the fraction. 4 3s are and 4 10s are, that is 10 upon 3. So what is the ratio we are getting? 10 is to 3. See, after 10 years age of father. Now here it is condition is that after 10 years age of father. So what was the age of father, present age? 42. We will do plus 10 or minus 10? Plus 10, because it is given after 10 years. So that is equals to 52. Similarly, we will find for the age of son. What is the present age of the son? 14. We have to do plus 10. So 14 plus 10 equals to 24. Now let us find the required ratio. This is the required ratio of what? After 10 years of age of father and age of son. Hence, required ratio equals to 52 upon 24. That is equals to 4 13s are 52 and 4 6 are 24. 4 we will cancel. So what we are getting answer? 13 upon 6. So what is the ratio? 13 is to 6. Now D, it is given 12 years ago, age of father was 30. So what is the condition in D? 12 years ago, age of father was 30. So first of all here age of father is given 12 years ago. We have to find age of the son 12 years ago. So what was the age of the son, present age of the son? What was the present age of the son? 14 minus 12 we will do. Why? Because condition is 12 years ago. So 14 minus 12 is how much? 2. And here already age of father is given, that is 30. 12 years ago age of father is given, that is 30. So we will write 30 upon 2. That is 2 15s are 30 and 2 1s are 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 15 upon 1. Hence required ratio of this is 15 is to 1.